Hello my class 1 students. Today we are going to start with chapter number 4. I, me, we and us from your book Amber English Grammar Semester 2. So let's begin. I is used when you are the doer or you are the person doing something. For example, I play tennis or I go to school every day. Second, me. Me is used as an objective case of I. For example, my mother gave me milk. Second example, my teacher is happy with me. We. The word we is used when we do something together. We includes I and my companion. For example, we are playing cricket or we go to school together. Us. The word us is used when something happens to you and your companion. Us includes me and others. For example, my mother loves us very much. Second example, you can come with us. We is a subject pronoun and is used in subject position. Us is an object pronoun and is used in object position. Now let's try to fill the following blanks. First sentence is dash are eating chocolates. We are going to write we are eating chocolates. Second sentence, all of dash went to the class. So we are going to write all of us went to the class. Third sentence, Shanti wished dash on my birthday. So the place is objective place. We are going to use Shanti wished me on my birthday. Fourth sentence is dash am not in mood to play. So it is a subjective place and we are going to use I am not in a mood to play. That's all for the day, students. Thank you.